Hello guys, welcome to 𝐲𝐿. In this class, we are going to see about phonetics, and we are going to see about this topic using three levels. One basic, and the next one is intermediate, and the next one is advanced level. First of all, we are going to see about the basic components in this phonetics. So, the Greek word phone means sound or voice. Phonetics deals with the sound of a language. Now we are going to see about the sound of English language, as well as it is the branch of linguistic, and it is about the physical production and the perception of sound of speech. So phonetics, it's nothing but it's all about the study of sound in language, and it has three types. So one is articulatory phonetics, and the next one is acoustic phonetics, and the next one is auditory phonetics. So what is articulatory phonetics? Articulatory phonetics deals with the study of how speech sounds are produced by articulators, such as the tongue, lips, and vocal cords. These tongue, lips, vocal cords, these are the articulators. These parts are make sound. So the production of the sound is called as the articulatory system. So the whole process of the producing the sound called as the articulatory phonetics. So the next one is acoustic phonetics. Acoustic phonetics focus on the study of how speech sounds travel through the air and are received by the ear. So the speech sounds are made as a the speech sounds are travel through the ear and receive the another person. So while we are talking, we produce the sound first, and after that the sound reaches through the another person. So this system called as acoustic phonetics. And another one is final one, auditory phonetics. Auditory phonetics involve the study of how speech sounds are received and processed by the brain. So after the opposite person hear our voice, and the processing was started by the brain. So the end the result, the opposite person will understand what we speak. So this is this about this study called as a auditory phonetics. So articulatory phonetics. Articulatory phonetics is concerned with the physical production of speech sounds. This includes the various phases of speech, components of speech, and it includes the three manner of articulation, place of articulation, and vowels. This place the vowels mention the place of the mouth and the tongue, and etc. So this round and unrounded place mention the place of the mouth, and also the front, center, back. It mentioned the place of the tongue. So this is over for this session. So after we are see more about the phonetics and the parts of speech. This is end of this session. Meet you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you want to obtain a completion certificate, please click the link to our site. Sign up and choose the course level. It is mandatory to watch all the videos and finish the corresponding quiz within the time limit to unlock the final quiz. Get your course completion certificate after completing the final quiz of that level. Happy learning!